Hello, and welcome to another Hexsum tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at bulk collection edits. This can be found on the home page right here. And if we scroll down, let's go into CSV Export. This can be found right here, or it can be found on the sidebar right here. Let's jump in. For our collection filtering, we are just going to be using all collections and preview. Here we can see I have 3 different collections, and I have 3 products in each collection. They're all manual collection type, and they have a default description. Let's look at the options we have. So we can select individual fields if we want to, such as, let's say, just the handle and maybe just the title, or however many you want to add. And these are all of the fields. And so what we're going to do is remove these and just select all fields. So here we're going to be exporting every single field. Next, we can pick the file format. By default, it's set to an Excel format, but we can also just use a CSV format. We're going to use the default, and we could set a specific file name right here, but if we don't select this, a random file name is generated. So in order to make my file unique, I'm not going to select this option. Next, we can send our exported file to an email. So just by putting your email here, the exported file will be sent to the email. And lastly, we can export our file to an FTP server. We just need to put our FTP connection URL right here. And if it was set up correctly, we could test the connection, and we could see if we're correctly connected. But we don't have an FTP server, so we're going to unselect this. Now that's all the options for exporting, so let's start our export. Okay, and let's wait for this to finish. Okay, great. As we can see, we exported 3 collections. And here's all of our exported columns. So let's check out the details. In here, we could just see all of the collections that we exported. So let's go back, and let's click on our exported file. I'm going to open this file in Google Sheets. Okay, so here we are with our exported collections file. We could see our 3 different collections in 3 different rows, and we could see all of the fields that we exported. And now let's look through them. We have our collection ID, which you should never change because it indicates which collection we're editing. We have our collection handle, which is the text in our collection URL, our collection title, collection description, our collection type, of course, automatic or manual. We have our collection products. So here we can see we have 3 different product IDs in this list. And so you can always add a new product by just copying this, pasting it here, and changing the product ID. But we're going to keep this back to normal. Now our next 4 options are all automation collection fields. And so our first one is automated collection product must match. Our second one, automated collection condition field. Our third one, automation collection condition relation. And the last one, automated collection condition value. These 4 fields only matter if you're using automatic collections. And moving on, we have the collection meta title. And we have the collection meta description. As we can see, these are empty for my 3 collections. We have a collection image URL, and this references an image that is saved on your shop's files. We also have the collection image alt text, as well as the collection theme template, which I've already changed to alternate. And those are all the available fields. In the next video, we're going to be editing some of these fields and then doing a CSV import to modify multiple fields in my collections all at the same time. So please see the CSV import video if you're interested. And so one last thing, if you're using automated collection types, here I have 3 new collections, shoes, glasses, and headphones, and they're all automated. And so we're going to look at those 4 fields that were just for the automated collections. And so for the automated collection product must match, for these 2, we have they must match all the conditions, and for this one, they can match any condition. So for the shoes collection, the tag equals shoes. So any product where the tag equals shoes, it will be added into the shoes collection. And for the glasses collection, it's still all conditions, the tag equals glasses, and the variant price is greater than $4.99. So the product has to have glasses as a tag, and the price has to be higher than $4.99. But then for the headphones collection, the product must match any condition, so one of these 2 conditions. The tag equals headphones, or the vendor equals headphones warehouse. So if the product's vendor is from headphones warehouse, then it will be added to the headphones collection. Or if the product's tag is equal to headphones, then it will also be added to the headphones. But it doesn't have to match both of these at the same time, just one of them. So that's everything to do with these 4 automated fields. Well, thank you very much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.